In this lesson, we are going to delve into MiniKube. We won't compare it with alternatives like Kine or K3s either, and simply walk through what MiniKube has to offer. While it won't be a practical session today, in our next session, we'll dive into installing and configuring MiniKube for our Kubernetes journey. MiniKube supports three primary operating systems: Linux, Mac, and Windows, covering the majority of operating system in use today. It specifically supports KVM and bare metal drivers for Linux, Parallel, HyperKit, and VMware Fusion for Mac, uh, Hyper-V, and VMware Workstation for Windows. Additionally, MiniKube supports SSH, Podman, VirtualBox, QEMU, and Docker on all the above operating system. MiniKube offers three types of container runtime: CRI-O, Container D, and Docker. Although Docker remains a common choice, it's worth noting that Docker as a runtime has been deprecated from Kubernetes, which now favors Container D as the default runtime. However, regardless of the runtime used with MiniKube, it won't significantly impact our learning experience. MiniKube supports the current release plus 6 previous minor versions of Kubernetes. Considering Kubernetes releases new minor version approximately every 4 months, MiniKube supports the last 2 year worth of minor versions. It's worth mentioning that MiniKube can be seamlessly integrated into continuous integration environment and support profile, allowing for multiple MiniKube profiles, each running different version of Kubernetes. In our practical session, we'll also explore running multi-node cluster on MiniKube. It supports add-ons, enabling functionalities like load balancer and CNI to implement network policy and firewall rules. An interesting aspect of MiniKube is its versatility. It can be deployed as a virtual machine, container, or bare metal. Surprisingly, one of the interesting use of MiniKube is as a replacement of a Docker desktop. And that wraps up our overview for now. In the next session, we'll roll up our sleeves and dive into installing and configuring MiniKube. See you soon.